Question number 11. A vessel contains a mass x of helium gas and a mass 2x of oxygen gas. Okay, different masses, different gases. Okay, molar mass of helium is 4 grams, molar mass of oxygen is 32 grams. What is the number of helium atoms to number of oxygen atoms? So again, you have mass should be converted to mole, should be converted to Avogadro number. This is the rule over here. Now what does it tell you? It tells you 4 grams of helium, 4 grams of helium will be 1 mole. 1 mole. If it is x grams of helium, how much will this be? 1 by 4 grams, right? Sorry, x grams, x divided by 4 moles over here. This should be your answer. Okay. And then next is when I have 2x, let me do the same thing here. 32 grams of oxygen will weigh 1 mole. In other words, 2x grams of oxygen. Okay, let us first take x grams of oxygen. If I take x grams of oxygen, then how much will this be? This will be having 1 by 32 grams of oxygen, moles, 1 by 32 gram, 1 by 32 moles. And if I say 2x, so x by 32, if I say 2x of oxygen, then this will be 2 times x divided by 32. Okay, now what is that we need? We also know that if it is mole to Avogadro, I can just substitute mole as Na. Okay, so I can now just say that 4 grams, sorry, x grams of this one will have x by 4. I'll write this as x by 4 Na, and this will have 2x by 32 Na. I'm just going to substitute the values here. That's it, nothing else. So now as a result of it, this Na and Na goes away. This 2 1s are 2 16s are goes away. So what I am left out with, this x and x also goes away. So numerator I have 1 by 4, here I have 1 by 16, 1 by 16 over here. So which should now be equal to 1 by 4 multiplied by 16. And push this here, push this here. So this should be equal to 4. So answer should be C.